Good morning, babes. Hey, happy Monday. Welcome to another week.
Good morning. Good morning. Go back there.
Welcome to a new week, guys. And welcome to another weekly vlog. So today we're going on the road to do some business.
I got a tablet in my hand.
Going on the road to do some business today. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. It's the hurricane week. Come Dominic, it's the hurricane week, so I'm not sure how much content I'll be getting this week.
It's a beautiful day today.
It is.
Yeah. It's a beautiful day today.
Yeah, so I'm not sure how much content we'll be getting this week because we're expected to get the hurricane in Florida on Wednesday. So I don't know, but whatever content I get, I'll keep y'all posted. So stay tuned, like the video, comment more than once, and subscribe if you are going. Subscribe if you are new. I'm going to try and get Dominic into a school. That's the first thing on the list. Ooh.
So I had to do it around that time. Thanks for reminding me though. Mama, listen.
We can't talk to you no.
Mama, listen, please. When you get home, look for this on Netflix. Jeffrey Dahmer, the story.
Yeah, so stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted. And I'll get as much content as I can for this week. My face look a little bit clearish, but them not so visible.
Rick, be careful.
So, anyways, guys, I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you. Hi, yes, Marina, have an 11:20 appointment. Johnson.
Now serving V264 at station number 6.
Thank you. I just sit and wait. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, I'm now at the appointment. I have 213. I basically gotta sit and listen for my number, and then I'll get the assistance. So let's see. So I'm basically at the student enrollment office, trying to get Dominic enrolled in a school. The thing is the address verification. I'm not sure I'm gonna go about it because I didn't get to get a letter in my name, so I don't know how it's gonna work. I have a letter, but it's not in the current address that I have. So when I go inside, I'll talk to someone and see what's the next step. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Hey y'all, so quick update. I'm at the hospital. I left the school enrollment. Fortunately, I was able to verify my address by my Amazon account because I've purchased on Amazon before, sent to the house in my name. So I was able to verify. The only thing that's kind of holding up now is that I need consent letter from his father to say, hey, I agree with whatever, or I give consent, whatever, to the address that he's living at. you know, everything is so different here. There, Jamaica, I just got to school, get me out of school, and would have been at the back and forth. But everything here is pretty much documented. Everything here is a little bit more technical. You know, they take things a little bit more, way more serious here than in Jamaica, because they need everything on file basically. So, I know normally in Jamaica, if you say the father live right here, so they may just advertise, okay, the father live here. So here, if you say the father live here, so you need verifications and stuff like that. So I'm waiting on the letter, then I'm gonna email it to the office, then I get another appointment to go and sign some paperwork and get him registered for school. So yeah, hopefully not hurricane come Wednesday, so I won't have a lot of delays and stuff like that. So yeah, now I'm at the hospital trying to sort out some stuff for my mom, getting some records and stuff. After leaving here, because they have her scheduled to go back to work, which doesn't make no sense because she's not able to work right now. So after leaving here, I'm gonna go to the bank, trying to get my account and everything, and I'm gonna try to sort out paperwork to get up and running in this new life. Dominic is right here. Say hi.
Okay.
Hey, Dominic is playing games. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. I'm trying to keep you guys updated as much as I can for today, because today is really a business day, you know, doing business. You know, we can't really update on everything business related, but I'll keep you guys in the loop as much as I can. So that's what's up. Anyways, again, I'll keep you all posted as to what's happening for the rest of the day. Okay guys, so I took a little bathroom break because they're not ready. They're still in the office trying to start out whatever they're starting out. So then when I leave it, came to the bathroom. Get it, my blind? Anyways, I'm gonna go back outside and sit down and wait. I have an interview at 4:30. I don't know if I'm gonna get home in time. If not, I'm gonna just have to sit in the car and do the interview because I can't miss it. I'm trying to get to work because, you know, girl needs some money. So
Girl need some money.
yeah.
Girl need some mud.
Down there, so I did mirror dirty.
Girl need
But this
some
is girl
mud.
Sammy.
Girl need no money.
Oh, I think I'm so dirty. Anyways, I'm gonna go back outside and sit. I'm gonna do my mask. Again, I'll keep y'all posted. I'm gonna say uncle of your one. So,
I still have to give you just have it by myself.
because you're having issues with it, so I told you to leave it, remember?
So you can keep yours.
Because I'm responsible. Are you responsible?
Yes.
Oh, really? Hey, y'all. So it's the middle of the day. Today is Tuesday. And pretty much continuing with the vlog. So I didn't get everything done yesterday. I keep saying anyways, went on the road yesterday, went to the doctor's office, went to the bank, and I was supposed to go to Target. Apparently baby boy's aunt sent him some packages, bought him some baby stuff, so I'm gonna go to Target to pick up those now. I also have some other things to do, so as usual I'm taking you guys with me, so I'll keep you guys posted. They actually said that the hurricane is coming tomorrow. Hoping it doesn't, but based on how things set, it look like it will come for you because the sky looks very bleak. So let's see. Alright guys, so I'm here for a very hot minute. They couldn't find the order with the first barcode. They were saying something like the picture barcode because I got a screenshot. It normally expires after a certain time. So I got a new barcode. Well, the same barcode but a different screenshot of it. So I'm basically waiting. I don't know why the devil tell me to wear this today. And my hat bad. Oh, there we go. Order is here. Thank you. Could I leave it like right here to?
Yeah, the shop. Yeah, I can watch it for you.
Okay, thank you. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna find my madam brother gone. Some over here, sir. Gone. I don't know what I'm gonna buy. So I'm gonna go walk and see if I find them. Yeah, as I said, I know what convince me for wear this, you know. But my heart bad. Oh, so now. Yeah.
Come now, Rick. One line there.
What I gonna buy?
A battery.
So I'm gonna be careful buy 2 battery?
I go get water.
Oh, no water now. So water don't go feed for the nice time?
No, Sophie, beg me like
Water. I'm gonna make on that foot then. Nice the bathroom. I'm gonna use the bathroom. Cause I wanna feel.
That's my bad.
I'm so not in a good mood today. I'm very grumpy. I'm very annoyed. It's not even funny. Very grumpy and annoyed today. I just don't want anybody to be in my space. I don't want to be in anybody's space. I want to be alone. That's the mood I am in today. I might try to find a clean bathroom because sweating bathroom is really nasty. I've become enough to spit. Sorry about that. Yeah. Anyways. Alright guys, so these are the stuff. Why don't put this Charlie here right beside us, so. I think we check them. Yeah, me check them. Oh yeah, go on. Alright, so I think we're heading home now. I'm not doing anything else. Like, look at the sky. It's crazy out here. So when I go home, well, me not have nothing else to do. I don't know if anybody else have anything else to do. But I'm going home, back in my little corner to be by myself. I'm just not in the mood today. I'm highly irritated. It's not even funny. But I'll check in with y'all as soon as I am able to check in. Where you park? Good morning, babes. Happy what, Thursday? You know, it's the hurricane going on outside, so I'm not getting a lot of updates. I think the last time I update was on Tuesday. Yeah. So the hurricane is here. Currently we're out of power. There is no light. There's no light. And it's really bad. It's really bad. Some areas are affected really, really bad. Like craziness going on. Keep getting warnings on our phone not to go anywhere, not to do this, because the place is flooded and stuff like that. It's dangerous outside, so I'm just here chilling. I'm just here chilling, to be honest. My first hurricane in America. I constantly gotta be calling Dominic to check on him because I don't know what's going on in his area or where his father is. So I find myself waking up early in the morning, like after 3, and then time they call, find out, you know, if he's okay and stuff. But inside is very dark, so I can't really record anything, show you guys nothing, so I'll keep y'all posted later today to see what's going on, if it's getting any worse or whatever. Well, it is worse, but I mean in my area. So until I can update again. Guys, we know country backyard. It's feel like I'm in the country. So I don't have so much orange when I say hey, no come pick orange for man eat. Guys, we have orange tree. But I'm my mother next yard. Then we have orange. Go for one big scandal bag. Get one bag, no mother. Look much orange in that tree. We can look for the biggest orange and for people who pick orange. Guys, this is after the hurricane at my mom's second house. It's basically rented out. At first, me come around here from a come. Apparently, there's an orange tree at the back. So, me a pick orange. We can look for the big old orange and people pick up all the orange. What me spit? Beg one knife, Richie. Beg one knife. Beg one knife, please. Guys, look at the sun. Sun is shining. I never know hurricane coming today. Sun is shine.
You can look at the sink. I feel so embarrassed. Why you ain't come by yourself? I'm in my drawers. And my brother and sister here and I'm painting like, come on, that's embarrassing. I'm in my house. Like, that's that.
Hey, make up a tree now. I went there. Can see me a skin out and laugh around here. Guys, me go peel orange. I can't put the phone. Put up another tree. Yeah. We can't look at the same avocado when I have no clothes. I don't have no clothes. I'm not just sensible. I have on babe shorts from down at Jamaica. A sweater. 190 underneath it. No bra. Because I'm not come out of the car going where them I go. I'm going to go Walgreens and somewhere else. But you know I'm not come out of the car. I just come because with the peel orange. Watch the one they burn my climb tree. You see the piece of ratty tree they broke off with him and laugh till I die. What all the orange about fire tree? Because the bad not eat them. Hey babes, today is Friday. Just a little check-in with you guys. This vlog probably not gonna make any sense. It's probably all over the place, and you know, it's a hurricane week, so I didn't do much. Didn't have anything to record for this week, but I still need to upload a Sunday vlog, or a weekly vlog rather. So I'm in the parking lot at Walgreens. My mom went to get something and I said let me check in with you guys. Today we came on the road to stop by my mom's other house to basically check up and see what's going on, what damages were done due to the hurricane and stuff like that. You guys will see that nothing happened really. Nothing happened in our area. Just some wind, you know, a few branches here and there, and that was it. Thankfully the place is okay, everything is fine. Unfortunately not for everywhere, but we're grateful that we're doing okay and stuff like that. I'm still in the car because I didn't wear anything road appropriate. I mean, there is no bra. I'm looking crusty and everything, so I didn't come out of the car. We're gonna head back home. I'm a little bit depressed. Like, I don't know. This week is one hell of a week. Like, my emotions running wild. The whole pregnancy, I'm very uncomfortable. It's a whole lot of stuff I'm not able to talk about, but I'm still grateful. I'm still grateful. I haven't given y'all a pregnancy update in forever. I'm finally gonna start doing some baby shopping. I heard Target having sale next week. Target having sale, so I'm gonna stop by. I want to go buy DD's and, you know, compare the prices to see what I can get. I'm still not buying anything blue because I'm still keeping my fingers crossed I'm having a girl. I don't want to buy anything blue. I'm sticking to neutral colors. Everybody who is buying, or for the few people buying stuff, I say, babe, hey, tell your friends, stick to neutral colors because I finna pop out a girl. Oh my god. Anyways, 7 months along in my third trimester, so 7 months along, 2 months to go. I'm still, I don't know, I don't want to say I'm not I don't know if I'm excited, to be honest. I don't know if I'm excited about having a baby. It's just a regular feeling. When I feel I don't feel that. It's just a regular feeling, and sometimes I'm still in disbelief that I'm really pregnant. And sometimes I think to myself, like, what made it really? I think, Mama, somebody want to have a next child. Like, what was I thinking about? What was I thinking about? Why did I want a next child? Like, oh, girl, I don't know. But here I am, pregnant, about to have a child, and you know, the only downfall. Well, not a downfall. The only thing to this is I don't want to say it's unfortunate, but I'm just wish me never pregnant. No. But that's what's going on. That's what's going on. When I get them. That's what's going on. So I'll check in tomorrow or later today and chat with y'all some more. Because I gotta drive out of the parking lot now, and yeah.